Hello everyone! My name is Trixxy and I am here to present my project in ELS. Today we're gonna do the Big Bang Theory or the universe expansion. And without further ado, let's get to it. Before we start, we're gonna need some things. Of course, we're gonna need a balloon, a pen, a highlighter, a paper, and for the measurements, this ruler. I don't know what ruler is this. We're just gonna use that because I don't have ruler or measuring tape. For the first attempt, I have blow up the balloon into its half size, and then we're gonna mark it by the highlighter like this. Like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we're gonna name each of them as letters like A, oopsie daisy, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Guess the weird shape of the balloon. Well, to explain the things that I have done here, this balloon represents the universe, and then the highlighted points in the balloon serves as planets or heavenly bodies. And then for the first attempt, we're gonna measure the distance between the points of each other, like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're gonna write down the measurements of each attempt. First attempt, I'm sorry for the barkings of the dogs. For the first attempt, the distance between A and B is equal to 4 centimeters. And B and C is equal to 6 centimeters. And I think I got it wrong. But I guess it's so on and so forth. For the second attempt, we're gonna blow up still the balloon into its bigger size. The blowing up of the balloon represents the expansion of the universe. As we can see, the distance between points or the distance between planetary things seems to expand too. Just like the distance between A and B, we're gonna measure the distance between A and B. So from the distance from the first attempt, which is 4 centimeters, the A and B distance seems to expand to 7 centimeters. And we're gonna measure that. And so on and so forth with the other planetary bodies, we're still gonna measure them. And for the third attempt, we have blown up the balloon into a larger size. And then we're still gonna measure the distance between A and B as an example again. So we're gonna measure it again. So from the first attempt, which is 4 centimeters, the second attempt is 7 centimeters. And for the third attempt, the distance between A and B seems to expand it into 8 centimeters. To put an explanation to everything I did earlier, as I said earlier too, this balloon represents the expansion of the universe. The dots, which is not really visible over there, represents the planetary bodies such as asteroids, planets, stars, and everything you can see in the universe. And the blowing up is the time that passes by that causes the expansion of the world because it explodes. I mean, I mean, at that point, about 13.8 billion years ago, the the universe is just a dot. It was like an atom, just like our bodies. We're just from cells, and the universe came from a little tiny dot too. I think it's micro, and we can't even see it. And then, as time goes by, the Big Bang Theory was happened, and then we had our universe, and this happens, and then in summary, in my own opinion, in my own understanding, the universe expands, just like humans, just like the earth, it expands, and as time goes by, the distance between the planetary bodies expands as the universe expands too. And that is one of the most, the most brain, I'm not gonna term it on the brain rotting, but it's wonderful that science know about it. And that's all, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Listen to this.